Hi, my name is Arlisha and I'm new here to YouTube, and I just figured that, hey, why not do it? Anyways, I love watching unboxing videos and stuff like that, so I thought I'd go ahead and jump right on the bandwagon and do what I love to watch. So here I am. I learned about this website from a lady named Raven Elise. I'm sure you've seen her here on YouTube before. It's an online dollar store called Shop Miss A, and everything is pretty much $1 or up to $10 for bundles, or $1.88 for special items. But everything's pretty good quality. I've never really got anything from there where I felt like I wish I'd never gotten it or anything like that. So yeah, let's jump right into it. It comes packaged really well. Nothing's getting out of this baby. So let's go ahead and cut this open. Of course I don't have scissors. Alright. Little eyelash scissors. And it just comes with the packing slip, and it tells you everything that you bought, obviously, and they circled it, and they rarely forget anything. They are amazing for a $1 store online. Okay, so I open it up, and the first thing that I see is this balm to oil pre-shower deep treatment. This is something new that I've never seen on their site before. They're really starting to get into like hair care and more makeup and stuff like that. I usually just buy like jewelry, but yeah, so this is a deep hair treatment. It's a hydration sealant applied on dry hair before shampooing. It comes sealed like this. Doesn't really smell like anything. Looks like that. So yeah, I want to give that a try, and hopefully it can add a little more moisture to my hair. Can't have enough moisture, or maybe you can. I don't know. Maybe that's what protein treatment's for. I don't know, but yeah, they are. So yeah, I'll probably do a review on this, because what better do I have to do? Okay, and then now I see my eyelashes. See that? I don't know. Yeah. Wispies, because I really don't do the flamboyant eyelashes. I mean, more power to my beautiful ladies who do the flamboyant eyelashes. I cannot. I do the natural lash. And they have beautiful wispy eyelashes. Not wispy, WSP. The wispies are a little bit thicker than the WSPs, so just be cautious of that. I made that mistake. So yeah, those are really good quality. I got some barrettes. This brown color. Really old school. I love that pattern. And then I just got a black one. More eyelashes. I always stock up on those because they will sell out fast. They're really good quality for dollar store eyelashes. This is something new that they came out with. It's called a QB. It's for your beauty blender. It's just something to put your beauty blender in, on your makeup stand, and just make it look cute. I mean, when people walk into your beauty room, you want your things to look nice. You want them to be like, oh my gosh, you know, where'd you get that? Or, you know, that's cute. Or it looks just to look neat. I mean, I'm the type of person, I like my things to look neat most of the time when I do find time to organize. But yeah. Another thing I have here is just this bag that says Hustle on it. And it's just, I just thought that the writing was super cute. I don't know what I'm going to put into this, and I really didn't need it per se, but I thought it was super cute. So I got it. Excuse my children if you hear them in the background. I love them to death, and they are lively, and I just love hearing my daughter, who was a preemie. She was born at 26 weeks. I just love hearing her voice now, because when she was born, she didn't cry or anything like that. So I don't mind hearing the craziness in the background. So another thing, they have my makeup items sealed in this separate bag, so nothing doesn't spill on your extra items, the other items that you get. So they sell a lot of different things. They sell scarves and underwear and all type of stuff. It's a wonderful store. So go ahead and click down below in the description box. I will leave a link to this store. You're gonna love it. I got these barrettes, kind of fancy when I'm feeling real fancy, or my daughter, if she wants to wear them. I got this coconut lip mask, just to try it. I mean, I don't own any lip masks, and I feel like I should, so why not start with $1 one? So yeah. And then I got some mascara, this Fat Lash one, just to try. I mean, it's $1, why not? And then a skinny one for the lower, because I always mess up on my lower lashes. I am not a professional, so skinnies help. And then I got this Wonder liquid eyeliner, and yeah, just to practice cat line. I mean, a cat eye. Just to practice, because again, I am not a professional. So obviously I got jewelry, because that's what I do. I like costume jewelry. You know, I will always will, no matter if I even get rich. Like, I don't care, I'm still gonna buy costume jewelry. I got this necklace. It has like a triangle, and it has like these separate necklaces all connected into one, so it's kind of like I'm stacking the necklaces, but it's all one. It's really cute. I love that style. And then more barrettes, because I love hair. So gotta stay cute, boo. And last but not least, oh, one more barrette, and it's like a little leaf. It's super cute. I didn't really even show this one, but like, it's like pearl. Bear with me, I'm new to YouTube, okay? If you're watching this and you made it this far, thank you. But it's like this pearl detail. All of them is like different pearl detail barrettes, and it's super, super cute. So yeah, that's my haul. Oops. That's my haul, and I'm glad you made it to the end of the video. If you care, if you like unboxing like me, and you just want to see new things that you can go spend your money on. And yeah, so see you in my next video.